How to add Celer Network token. Are you guys facing issues to add Celer Network token on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on a mobile device. If you don't know how to download MetaMask on a mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now tap on plus icon and search for Celer Network. In order to add Celer Network on a MetaMask, just check this box and tap on next. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Celer Network will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Celer Network on MetaMask. If you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.